Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Enthusiast back. I'm back! Yeah, me. I hope you're doing okay. I have this 2016 Hyundai Elantra. So the problem is, I'm gonna start the car, okay? Now I'm feeling like a shaking. It shakes. It has oil, but you see the check engine light is on, okay? Right there. Hopefully you see it. What I'm gonna do is connect the scanner to the OBD, of course, which is right here. Hope you see it. Just pull it like that. See, that's the port. Grab your scanner and see what's going on with it. Now we plug the scanner, alright, like that. Now it's reading right there. Hopefully you can see it. Now it says P0302. It has like 6 codes, okay? This is 106. It says cylinder 2 misfiring detected, right? You see it, right? Okay, that's one. Then the other one is the same thing. P0302, cylinder 2 misfiring. And then you're gonna get the P0442, okay? And again the P0302. And again the P0442. Okay, so if you get these codes, well, it's time to replace the coil in cylinder 2. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna erase no code. I'm not gonna erase it. I repeat, I'm not gonna erase the trouble codes. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the find the cylinder 2 in the engine bay, replace the coil, start the vehicle, and see how it goes from there. Okay, now shut down the car, shut it down, remove your scanner if you don't want your scanner to die, because it has batteries inside. Alright, let's go to the front of the car, to the engine bay, locate the cylinder 2. Let's get it. Okay, so you come here to the engine bay, remove this, just lift it up. Okay, and this is the coil number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the firing is different though. Okay, now let's change this coil. Oh, luckily it's not wet. Because if it is wet, we have a bigger problem. I don't know if you see it there. This is the old one, and this is the new one. That's the part number, UF651. New one, old one. Compare it. So Gucci. Let's put it in there. This thing back. Careful with this though, you don't want to like tight it too hard with this. This shit is strong. Now plug it back, connect it. Push this down. Bye bye. Alright, now we just replace the coil, right? And what we do now is we plug the scanner back to the OBD2 port right there. Hopefully you see it though. Okay, it's right there. Right there. Alright. Turn the key to the on position. I'm gonna start the car, okay? I'm gonna start the car and see if the check engine light goes away by itself before I erase it with the scanner, okay? As you can see, the code is still there. So I'm gonna start the vehicle. It's running right now. The check engine light is right there, okay? Right there. Let's see how it goes. I want to step on the gas. It's not shaking that much like it used to. Alright, so I want to start it again. I guess if you drive it for a while, it's gonna go away. I'm not gonna road test it. I'm not gonna drive it, okay? Sometimes when you do this, before you erase the code, it goes away by itself. You know what I'm saying? Because the computer now doesn't read misfiring because it's working properly. You know what I'm saying? So the good thing is that it's not shaking like it was in the beginning, remember? Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just shut it down, put it in the on, turn it to the on. Now here I'm just gonna press the erase button, okay? Yes, enter. What it says, erase was successful. It's gonna read it again. Now that's a permanent, but I'm gonna start the vehicle and see if it comes back. The check engine light. The check engine light should be off. Okay, so that's pretty much it. All right, that's how you fix the P0302 in this 2016 Hyundai Elantra. Yeah, well, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, just put everything back, put the cover of the engine, put it back, close the hood. You're good to go. All right. Thank you for watching. Shout outs to my subscribers. Shout outs to my followers. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Like this video. Share this video. The feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this car. You like it? Is it reliable? Just put it in the comment box for me. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I see you in the next one. I'm clacking out. I'm a stool. Burum. Amadi!